Girl, are you serious? You're giving this dog a haircut?
Yes. This dog, according to his owner, was unable to see well due to the overgrowth of hair near his eyes, and his owner didn't have a pair of scissors. So I lent him a pair, albeit from a Swiss knife.
Girl, we don't have time.
There. Much better. And I think he was happy.
Thank God.
What? Unfortunately, all species aren't as appreciative. Enough of horsing around. It was time to carry on. A mountain pass is the lowest natural point in a mountain range that facilitates crossing the range to access the valley beyond. The passes in the region are often suffixed with La, which means pass in Tibetan. Rohtang Pass is the first of many passes on the Manali-Leh route. Located at an altitude of 13,497 feet, the word Rohtang means pile of corpses in Tibetan. As you can see, we are on the other side of Rohtang. This is a Lahore Valley. This part of the valley is beautiful.
It's beautiful, but it's dangerous as well.
Yeah, I mean, you can tip over quite easily in this.
Okay, girl, don't take it
There's
that
quite a
side.
fall.
Yeah,
Look.
I can. Okay, I will
Look
not
there.
look. I will not look.
Just look.
Okay.
When I was here on the road last year, this is all slush because I came in the month of July. So May, June, July, they're still working on the road. In fact, we're at the time when probably the road is the best. And the bad road starts. I think I spoke too soon. They said कि यहीं तक ठीक करेंगे. Last fuel station that we're going to encounter now at Tandi, fueled up, and of course the Leh region.
Wow,
क्या?
that was nice.
Okay. Journeys like ours have a domino effect. One starts the journey late and you reach late at all the key milestones. This road is atrocious. I'm thinking we might be better off actually driving off the road. It's at times like these that one is glad to be in a Mahindra. So the car now is in 4-wheel low. I'm giving no brake, no clutch, and the car is just going to crawl.
Because?
It has a lot of traction, it's gripping the road, or rather the track, it is going.
Got such good control of the car.
No, the car is capable. I'd love to take credit for this, but I'm doing nothing. I'm not even using the clutch or the brake.
Wow.
That's the beauty of this, no?
Oof.
There was no way we could make up for the time lost, which posed the obvious danger I had hoped to avoid, driving after dark. So turns out this place shuts at probably 8 o'clock and
We have no other option but to come
but
back.
to come back tomorrow morning, yeah. Tandi was an important part of our itinerary because the last fuel station on the Manali-Leh highway is here. And despite having an auxiliary fuel tank, I wanted to top up here to be prepared for any contingency. And I still had to drive a couple of hours in the night before our halt at Jispa. We had a choice to go back to Tandi and refuel, but that would set us back, causing a further delay. Relying on the 40-litre auxiliary fuel tank, I decided to press on. Today we were to halt in a tented camp that I'd booked at Sokar. There were 3 passes to be crossed and the Moreh Plains to be traversed before we got there. Normally, tourists would either break journey at Sarchu or at Pang because getting to Sokar from Jispa is a tall order. But we weren't tourists, we were adventurers, so we decided to push the limits. I guess there's no place to go. I can't see what's happening at the back. Look out, Swati.
पीछे पता नहीं क्या है.
अरे चलो, good. Jispa to Sarchu was 113 kilometers, and Sarchu to Pang was another 50 kilometers. From Pang, we would be traveling an additional 63 kilometers to reach Sokar. And in the mountains, one rarely averages more than 20 kilometers per hour. Water bodies on such roads are caused when the temperature rises and snow melts. In water bodies, the risk of losing traction is high. The key is to never rush through. Not stopping by this beautiful glacial lake seemed like a crime, but a quick stop is all we could afford. By any means possible, I wanted to reach Sokar before dark and break the chain reaction of being late everywhere since we started. On our way, we crossed a large number of road workers slogging in these extreme conditions, building and repairing the roads we travelled on. It was heartwarming and inspiring to witness them at work.
कैसे हो? बढ़िया। कहाँ से हो? झारखंड से।
आप कहाँ से?
मैं पंजाब से हूँ। Bye. We just take these essential services like diesel, petrol, and roads just so much for granted. These people drive day in, day out. They go back, they come back.
Baralachala is situated at an altitude of 16,040 feet and connects the Lahaul district of Himachal Pradesh to Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir. This high mountain pass is better described as a plateau where three mountain ranges meet: the Pir Panjal, Zanskar and the Himalayas. Following tradition, we made a pile of 7 stones to bless our journey.